Hey everyone, this is Brett here from Ad Badger. I wanted to record a quick video in case you ran into this little problem that I have run into before. When trying to upload a list of ASINs into the individual products area of the new product targeting that Amazon just released last month. So whenever you create a new campaign and choose manual, if you wanted to launch a new product targeting campaign, you may have run into this issue. The best way that you could probably begin with launching a new product targeting campaign is to actually take all of the ASINs from a search term report that have converted for you in the past. So any ASIN that's converted, I've gathered a list of, and I'm going to go ahead and stick it right in here. So here's our list of ASINs, and then when you go to hit target, you'll have this error pop up. 18 out of 18 products weren't added, and it gives you the option to download a list of the ones that weren't added. So why is this happening exactly? Well, it turns out that Amazon will only accept your list if all the ASIN's letters are completely capitalized. So this can be a huge pain because this list right here that I just uploaded, this is how the ASINs are presented in the search term report, or what you can download from Amazon, or any of the ASINs listed within Ad Badger, if you're using our software, will be listed in lowercase because that's what the search term report has. So you have to convert all of these from lowercase to uppercase, and that can normally be a huge pain, but you can use a website that'll do this. I personally used convertcase.net. All you do there is input your list, and let me type that out for you guys. Convertcase.net, like that. All you do is you copy paste your list onto ConvertCase, and then they will generate a capitalized list for you out of that. So let's go ahead and try that with the new capitalized list that they pumped out for us. Here's our new capitalized list of ASINs. We'll hit target. Good to go. There it is. Scroll down a little bit and you will see suggested bids. That's a good starting point, especially if you're using something like Bids by Badger. We'll be releasing functionality for all of these new campaigns sometime in December here, which is awesome. But as a good starting point, I would definitely recommend just going with these suggested bids, or 75 cents or 50 cents. These are all good places to start. So let's hit apply all here and then scroll down and launch the campaign, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below for more of the Amazon PPC goodness you're looking for. I'll see you in the Badger Den.